How to add the background of generated captions in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application, and from there you can have to select any of the project. Let me select this one. Now you will have to search for the background option, and you can see after tapping on the background you will get the different colors. You can have to select any of the color, and you can see the background of your captions will be changed. You can also increase the radius, you can also decrease the opacity, and you can adjust the background from there. So this is how you can easily add the backgrounds in YT Create application in your generated captions. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.